So guys, today we are going to learn about file operations and file IO with the help of Python. So here I have got a main.txt file as an example. If I write this is a demo sentence. Alright, suppose I want to make a Python program which will take this file as the input and will read the data in it. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to say with open, I'm going to say main.txt. I'm going to read the data. So I'm just going to say the read mode as file. Okay. You're going to say file data equals to file.read. Okay. And then we're going to say print file data. Now I'm showing a very simple example, but this can be added up with more functions to make it complicated and sophisticated, but rather more powerful. So suppose if I give the parameter over here as file.read line, it will read multiple lines from the file. File.read means it will read the entire page or the entire document, and file.read line will read only a single line. Alright, so as you can see, it will extract the file data for me. Now suppose I want to append or write something to this text file. Okay, so there are two ways. Let me just copy the code again. I'm going to demonstrate how you can do that as well. So suppose if I want to write something to this, what I need to do is first of all I have to change the mode. R is for reading, write is for writing, but it will replace the existing data and put the new data. But if I say the mode A, that means it will keep the previous data and it will append the new data. Alright, now what I'm going to say is I'm going to say file.write, this is a new sentence. Alright, and it's always a good practice to say file.close, because since once you write the Python program, you can close the file to reallocate the memory. Now let us just run this program and let's see what's the output. So once I run this program, when I come into my text file, you can see this thing has got appended. But suppose if I don't want it to append like this together in a continuous line, this is happening because we have not stripped the backslash n character, right? So if you want to append it to the new line, you can just always add a backslash n in the beginning or the ending of a statement. Alright, now suppose you want to manipulate binary data, you want to read a binary file, you want to edit a binary file and all that stuff. So here I've got a machine learning model which I had made. Obviously it's a binary data, I've saved it in a binary form. You cannot read it here, okay? So because it's a binary data, so what I want to do is I want to read the binary form. So what I can do is I can say with open, I'm going to say model underscore pickle, because it's the pickle machine learning file which I had saved. Okay, and I'm going to supply the mode as WB, that's going to be I'm going to supply the mode as RB, that's going to be read binary. Alright, I'm going to say as model file. Okay, I'm going to say data will be equal to model file dot read, because it's going to read the entire binary file. I'm going to say print data. Alright, now I can just save it. Now suppose if you are doing some machine learning work or you are doing some other sort of work, what you can do is you can save your UTF encoding and all that stuff as a binary data in a binary file. You can use a WB function to write binary data. So as you can see, when I read the binary file, the machine learning model has to come here in the binary form, it's in bits and all that stuff. It's gonna print you out the result. So that's how powerful it is. You can manipulate any sort of file with this. If you find this video interesting and insightful, then make sure to subscribe, like and share. Until then, bye and have a good day.